Hello, my name is Jody LaPointe with the Coburn Supply Technical Service Department. Today we're going to discuss control wiring. I'm going to give you a few quick tips on how to avoid communication errors, low voltage shorts, and reduce your callbacks. Most communication issues can be avoided by the following steps. Do not place more than one wire in a terminal block at a time. You can see here to the right in the photo that there are some questionable wiring connections here. Connecting the wires to the terminal block will insert one pigtail wire under each terminal. We'll bring the wire to where it's an easy location to reach, and we'll use your lineman pliers to carefully twist the wires together. You want to avoid over twisting the wires. This will break the wires, causing communication issues and or loss of 24 volts. Insulating the wires, we'll use the correct size wire nuts on each wire, being careful not to over twist the wire nut. Doing this, you'll end up with a good quality, professional looking, trouble-free circuit. Remember, it's always good practice to run new control wires on communication systems to avoid callbacks. Thank you for watching, and check out our other videos at www.coburns.com or on our Coburn Connect app. Thank you and have a great day.